Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone.
Okay.
I'm Khalid during my base, and I'm here to discuss about the fire and safety plan.
Mm.
So, why it is important for us cadets to know the fire and safety plan? It is important because when in time of distress, you know where to locate these symbols where the safety plan is being placed.
Support.
So, example, when you want to know where is the life jacket, so you will see here in the animal symbols, where's the life jacket. So it is here located, so you will see here where how many life jacket and where it is being placed. So example, here in deck, so we have 4 life jacket placed. So it is important for us also to know the safety plan. It is the blueprint of the vessel. So you will understand where to go when in time of distress. And that's it.
Okay, pakpak.